This is the Ashcroft Indian Band cooking show. Hi everybody, we're back today. We have a really exciting couple of dishes for you. So this is one of our favorites, and it's something that you prepare like Christmas Eve or something like that, and then it stays in the fridge, and then you throw it into the oven Christmas morning and everybody's happy.
Yeah, it's done. You don't have to think about it if you have people over or you're just busy during the holidays. So they're super easy, yummy breakfasts.
So I'm gonna do the cream cheese French toast casserole, and Joe.
Mine's like a veggie frittata. It has every name, but it's a frittata. Yeah. All right.
Okay, here we go. You're gonna start first?
I am, and I'm gonna wing it because I don't even have a recipe.
But you'll have the recipe on our YouTube page.
Sure.
Exact measurements as always.
Okay, so I'm just gonna put a little olive oil in. We're just gonna saute the veggies. Wow.
Okay, what veggies do we have? So
budget.
you can put in any kind of veggies.
You
right?
can. I'm gonna change it from when I made it yesterday. So
Okay.
gonna do some onion. You could do normal onion or like a sweet onion, red onion, whatever. Some carrots. I'm not gonna do as much carrots because
Interesting choice.
I know carrots seem weird, right?
It does seem weird, but
I know.
good for you.
Yeah. Some peppers,
Yum.
and I'm gonna throw in some mushrooms. Why not?
Sounds delicious.
And I'm just gonna saute these up.
What about the broccoli?
No, it goes in after.
Really?
I don't know. It's
So it
with
doesn't
the
get
recipe.
soggy, maybe?
I don't
Or
know.
Soft?
I think it. Yeah, I don't know.
Okay.
This is what the TikToks said.
The TikToks that the kids are listening to now.
This is where I got the recipe. So I'm like,
Okay.
oh, but she didn't have measurements either. She just was throwing everything in.
Everything but the kitchen sink.
Yeah. So whatever you have. I thought tomatoes might be yummy in here. Spinach, whatever.
Celery.
So I'm just gonna let these soften up a little bit, and then we'll come back.
Hi everybody, we are back. So we've got the carrots are less crunchy, and everything is sauteed nice. All right, now what do we do?
I'm just gonna scramble, or it's lightly scramble. What am I calling this? Whip them?
Whip 'em up?
Some eggs.
Whisk? Whatever?
Whisk? I don't know.
There you go.
We got 4 eggs in here. Again, put a bunch more in if you have more people.
Yep.
Some milk. Keeping this simple. Some broccoli.
Cut up nice and small.
Yeah, you don't want big chunks of broccoli. Yeah. I don't even have a spoon. Look at me. Some Italian seasoning, and put whatever you want in it. It was a little, when I made it yesterday, it was a little bland. So I'm gonna
Spice
add
it up a little bit?
Yeah, I'm gonna add lots of salt and pepper. And of course, my bestie there, some red.
Oh, red chili peppers.
Yeah.
There you go, Mike. There's your spice.
Mike's so easy. I like how you refer to him, but he never appears. He's
He is
there.
there.
He's there.
Appeared in a few.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa, this is gonna be spicy.
Oh, I was like, okay.
All right, that's good.
Okay, so I'm just gonna add this right in. All right. Oh,
It's a bit of a heavy. Here, let me help you with that.
it's fine.
Oh, look, wow, have you been working out?
I work out. Okay. All right. We're just gonna mix this and then throw it in the bowl.
How about the
A little
pan?
cheese, the pan. That's what I meant. Throw it right in. And smooth it out. We'll put some feta or some, Tex-Mex on here. Is that enough?
Not quite.
Yeah.
Another handful might do.
Get some cheese. It did ask for the recipe. She put cheese in the bowl too, but I didn't let it sit much, so it'll just melt. But yeah, and there you go. So we're just gonna throw it in the oven at a 400-degree oven for like 20 minutes, just so it gets golden brown, and then yummy, a nice
Good.
healthy breakfast.
Okay, hi everybody. So now we're gonna do the cream cheese French toast casserole dish. So we started out with 8 eggs.
Ooh.
Yeah, so I'm gonna get the mixture together. Jodine, we've already chopped up the bread, so we're gonna do layers of bread, cream cheese, blueberries, bread, cream cheese, blueberries, and then we're gonna pour the egg mixture over top. All right, so we've got vanilla. We've got maple syrup.
Oh, that goes right in there.
It goes right in there.
That's crazy.
Oh yeah, some salt, some sugar.
Oh man, that's gonna be yummy.
Yeah. It'll balance out the healthy breakfast that you made. And then we're gonna throw in the cream and the milk.
Yeah.
So the cream cheese was cubed, as cubey as you can get with creamy cheese, right?
Yeah,
and you
trying to
just want to
separate
try
it.
to spread it out evenly throughout the casserole dish. Okay, so now with this dish, they call for letting it sit in the baking pan for about 3 hours in the fridge or overnight. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and evenly pour this mixture so that every piece of bread gets coated.
Good job.
Is the plan. Right. There we go. And then we are going to sprinkle the top with a little bit evenly as possible with the cinnamon. No pressure. No pressure. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good.
All right.
All right, and then we're gonna pour a little bit of butter over top everywhere as well.
This is decadent. I love it.
You can add this into the mixture, which is probably what they called for, but I do it this way, a little bit of a rebel.
You are a rebel.
All right, and then we're gonna cover this. Like I said, let it sit for at least 3 hours in the fridge or overnight preferably. Tin foil in the oven at 350 for 35 minutes. And it'll be ready to go. All right, and we'll be right back with the finished products.
All right, we're back. Everything's all done.
Yep.
We're excited to try them.
Okay.
Let's see if I
That
can
looks
get.
delicious. I'm excited for
See if I can get it out of the pan. This is always the biggest.
the first piece. Yes, always.
I need a smaller spatula. All right. Come here. Always me struggling with the.
Nice. Okay.
Super healthy.
Okay, I'm gonna try. The smells, right?
Yeah, yeah.
It smells so
Mine
good.
smells like broccoli. Yeah.
Oh, it's a little hot.
Yeah, it's a little spicy.
No, hot. Burning hot.
Oh, I thought I spiced it too much. And look at you sharing the same square as me. You come a long way since season 1.
I really have.
She's realized I don't have germs.
You do, but I'm okay with it. Oh, that's really good. Yeah. Yum, yum.
Just needs a little ketchup.
All
right.
I might agree with you a little bit on that.
I'm going to try yours.
Sorry, I'm having another bite of this.
Oh, the blueberries. Yummy. Okay. It's like bread pudding.
Exactly. Yeah.
That is so good. All right. I'll let you try it. That tastes exactly like bread pudding. That's amazing.
Oh, so good. I love the blueberries.
Blueberries make it. All right. If you guys want to try one of these, you know what to do. Let us know.
Yes, please do, because it's really, really, really good. Really good.
And off reserve, just take a picture, give it a whirl, and we'll enter you in for a gift card.
Yes.
All right. Enjoy.
Yep. Bye, everybody.
Bye.